In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a data flow diagram using ChatGPT, even if you've never made a diagram before. This is a simple, fast, and beginner-friendly way to turn an idea, system, or process into a clear visual data flow diagram using AI. Instead of drawing everything manually, you can let ChatGPT generate the code for you, then paste it into a visualizer and instantly see your DFD come to life. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical AI and software tutorials. Let's start with the main idea. A data flow diagram, or DFD, is used to show how data moves through a system. It helps you understand where data comes from, where it goes, what processes handle it, and what external entities interact with it. With ChatGPT, you can generate Mermaid.js code or PlantUML code for your diagram, depending on the tool you want to use. In this tutorial, I'll focus on the easiest workflow, asking ChatGPT to build the code, then using a visual editor to render the diagram. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and think about the system you want to map out. It could be an online bookstore, a food delivery app, a school management system, a hospital workflow, or anything else that has inputs, processes, and outputs. The clearer your idea is, the better your diagram will be. Then type a prompt that tells ChatGPT exactly what you need. For example, you can say, create a Mermaid.js code for a level 0 DFD of an online bookstore system, including customer, order process, and warehouse. That prompt works well because it gives ChatGPT a specific diagram type, a format to use, and the main elements to include. If you want a more detailed diagram, you can also ask for a level 1 DFD and include more steps, more processes, or more data stores. The more structured your prompt is, the cleaner the output will be. If the first result is not exactly what you want, don't worry. You can ask ChatGPT to revise it, simplify it, or make it more formal. Once ChatGPT generates the code, copy the full code block carefully. Make sure you copy everything, including the syntax at the top and all the nodes, arrows, and labels. Then open a visualizer. If you are using Mermaid.js, go to Mermaid Live Editor. If you are using PlantUML, you can use PlantText. These tools let you paste the code and instantly convert it into a visual diagram. Now, in the visualizer, find the code panel on the left side of the screen. Click inside the editor area and paste the code from ChatGPT. As soon as you paste it, the preview panel should show your diagram automatically. If the diagram does not appear right away, check for missing brackets, incorrect arrows, or formatting issues in the code. Sometimes a small typo can stop the diagram from rendering correctly. If needed, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to fix the code. You can say something like, simplify this Mermaid.js DFD so it renders correctly, or redraw this as a cleaner level 0 data flow diagram. This is one of the best things about using ChatGPT because you can iterate quickly without starting from scratch. You can change labels, add more entities, rename processes, or reorganize the flow until it looks exactly right. For a better result, try giving ChatGPT a little more context. For example, mention who uses the system, what data goes in, what process happens, and what comes out. You can also ask it to follow a certain style, keep the diagram minimal, or make the structure suitable for a presentation or documentation. If you need a more advanced diagram, ask for separate levels, such as level 0 for the overview and level 1 for more detailed internal flows. Another helpful tip is to use consistent naming. Keep your external entities, processes, and data stores clear and easy to understand. Short labels usually work best in DFDs because they make the diagram easier to read. You can also ask ChatGPT to number the processes, which is especially useful when you are building a professional or academic diagram. So the full workflow is simple. Open ChatGPT, ask for a Mermaid.js or PlantUML DFD, copy the code, paste it into Mermaid Live Editor or PlantText, and then review the rendered diagram. If needed, refine the prompt and regenerate until it fits your needs. This saves time, reduces manual work, and helps you create professional-looking diagrams much faster. If you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on AI tools, workflow automation, and productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.